Hey guys, it's Mina here, and so since I kind of just recorded a video a couple minutes ago, I'm about to go to bed, and I thought, why don't I do another natural hair tutorial to show you guys how I get this hair in the morning. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first off, since I'm going to bed, let's get dressed in something comfortable. Oh, okay, that's better. Alright, so first I'm going to separate my hair into two sections. My goal for this braid out is to have 8 braids. As you can see, it was easy for me to section off these pieces because they were already done. Then I'm going to spray my hair with water so that my hair can become a little bit moisturized, and the water will also help my braids retain its shape along with the product. Now, one of the products that I'm going to be using is pomade. I absolutely love it when doing my hair because it gives it that extra shine and it keeps my braids together. Now I'm going to start braiding my hair to form the cornrows. I didn't show you guys how I braided my hair, but if you guys want a tutorial about how I braid my hair into cornrows, definitely comment down below. The second product that I'm going to be using is Gorilla Snot, so that it holds the ends of my hair together. Now I'm going to be repeating these 3 steps throughout my hair to create my cornrows. And now this is the finished product of my cornrows. But I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to put Jamaican black castor oil throughout my hair. And now I put my bonnet on so that I can keep my hair protected while I sleep. Good morning, everyone. I'm all ready for school, and now it's time to take out my cornrows. Now I'm going to use Jamaican black castor oil again to put on my fingertips while I unbraid my hair so that it does not become frizzy. braiding, I'm fluffing out my hair to get it the way that I want. Still not done yet. Now I'm going to use Gorilla Snot again to do my edges. And please don't mind the white stuff in my hair, it's just Gorilla Snot and I get it out of my hair later on in the video. Now I'm going to use Argon Oil Edge Control to hold down my edges and keep it in place throughout the day. Okay guys, so I hope you really liked my natural hair tutorial with this braid out. I think it's super cute and it's super flattering on me. Ugh, I just love it. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. You can also turn on my bell notifications so that anytime I post, you get notified right away. If you guys have any questions for me, or if you guys just want to reach out to me and talk to me, you can contact me through all of my social media accounts. I'm super cool, I promise guys. So anyways, see y'all next time.